a strategic imperative, purchasing old surplus cargo ships for the Philippines Navy and Coast Guard. The Philippines, an archipelagic nation with over 7,000 islands, faces unique maritime challenges. Ensuring national security, safeguarding economic interests, and providing humanitarian assistance during disasters are critical missions for the Philippines Navy and Coast Guard. Given the current budget constraints and the pressing need for enhanced maritime capabilities, purchasing old surplus cargo ships presents a viable and strategic solution. These ships can serve as auxiliary vessels and force multipliers, significantly augmenting the operational effectiveness of the Philippines maritime forces. Cost-effective enhancement of maritime capabilities. One of the most compelling reasons for acquiring old surplus cargo ships is cost-effectiveness. New ships are expensive, and budgetary limitations often restrict the acquisition of state-of-the-art vessels. Surplus cargo ships, on the other hand, are available at a fraction of the cost. By refurbishing and repurposing these ships, the Philippines can quickly and economically expand its maritime fleet. This approach allows the Navy and Coast Guard to allocate funds to other critical areas, such as crew training, maintenance, and advanced technology integration. Versatility and multifunctionality. Surplus cargo ships are inherently versatile, capable of being adapted for various roles beyond their original commercial use. These ships can be converted into supply vessels, hospital ships, command and control platforms, and even mobile bases for smaller patrol boats and helicopters. This multifunctionality ensures that a single vessel can support a wide range of missions, from logistical support and humanitarian aid to maritime patrol and disaster response. For an archipelago like the Philippines, this versatility is invaluable in addressing the diverse and dynamic nature of maritime operations. Rapid force multiplication. The immediate availability of surplus cargo ships enables rapid force multiplication. Instead of waiting years for new ships to be constructed and delivered, surplus vessels can be acquired, refurbished, and deployed within months. This quick turnaround is crucial in responding to emerging security threats and natural disasters. With an expanded fleet, the Philippines can increase its maritime presence, conduct more frequent patrols, and enhance its deterrence capabilities. This rapid force multiplication strengthens national security and promotes stability in the region. Enhancing logistical and humanitarian operations. Logistical support and humanitarian assistance are critical components of the Philippines' maritime strategy. Surplus cargo ships can serve as floating warehouses, capable of carrying large quantities of supplies, equipment, and personnel. In times of natural disasters, such as typhoons and earthquakes, These ships can be deployed to deliver essential aid to remote and affected areas quickly. Additionally, they can serve as medical ships, providing much-needed healthcare services in disaster-stricken regions. This capacity to support large-scale logistical and humanitarian operations enhances the resilience and responsiveness of the Philippines Maritime Forces. Strengthening regional maritime security. The strategic location of the Philippines places it at the center of regional maritime security concerns. The South China Sea, a vital international waterway, is fraught with territorial disputes and security challenges. By enhancing its maritime capabilities through the acquisition of surplus cargo ships, the Philippines can play a more significant role in maintaining regional stability. A stronger maritime presence not only safeguards national interests but also contributes to collective security efforts with regional allies and partners. This cooperative approach is essential in addressing shared security challenges and promoting peace in the region. The acquisition of old surplus cargo ships is a strategic and pragmatic solution for enhancing the capabilities of the Philippines Navy and Coast Guard. These vessels offer a cost-effective means of expanding the fleet, providing versatile and multifunctional platforms that can rapidly multiply force capabilities. By supporting logistical and humanitarian operations and strengthening regional maritime security, surplus cargo ships serve as invaluable assets in fulfilling the diverse and critical missions of the Philippines Maritime Forces. Embracing this approach not only addresses immediate needs but also lays the foundation for a more robust and resilient maritime defense strategy.